Today we're playing Lathel Part 4. Alright, let's see. The shop, we know that. Alright. Yo, there's people. Oh my god. Arrest him. Ooh. Let me. Ooh, I dodged him. Ooh. Alright. Oh, this green guy, blood. See him. Oh no, he's coming. Alright, in the back rooms, let's see. Okay, so that one video, I think it was the first video. Remember, I got the rainbow crystal. That was insane. Let's see if I find it again in part 4. But it's okay if we don't find it. It's alright. Whoa! No! Get it! Go! Go! Oh my god, no. Oh my god. Alright. Okay, let's see. Okay, got some light stuff. Alright. Alright. That. Oh, green. Alright. So I made part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, so part 5 is tomorrow. So the part 5, I'm not gonna tell you part 5. It's about like the monsters scaring you and stuff like that. Whoa! Go! Ooh, this is scary. Oh no! Oh, he's chasing me! Help! No! Let's take it out. Oh, he's distracted by someone else. Go! Oh. There's sand! Go! Alright. Phew, that was so close. Alright. We're going up the elevator. Party in the elevator. Party. Alright. Let's see. There's supposed to be 2 monsters in here. Alright, let's see. Ah! Oh no! Help me! Oh no! I'm gonna sling him out. That guy's had a good aim. I keep going in the elevator, I'll die. Go! Oh no! Phew. Okay, they can't get you right here. Only the black guy can go anywhere. Alright. Oh, that was so close. That was so close. Oh my god. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Where's that white guy? Oh my god! He's dead! Go. Alright. Let's see. Alright. We have to find the crystal. The crystals are always in the back rooms. Sometimes they might be in other ways, but we gotta see the crystal in the back rooms because they come a lot in the back rooms. The crystal. Rainbow crystal. Alright. Ooh, okay, there's gold, silver, and coal. Alright. Oh, that's cool. Ooh. Wow, that's cool. That's super cool, actually. Alright. Where am I? Oh no, where am I? Did I die?
Let's just change an area.
Oh, there's so much.
Yes. Oh. Oh, okay. Wait, I die if I go inside. I'm dying. I'm dying. Actually, come in. Looks like a fireman. I'm dying. I'm gonna die. I'm dying.
Get out right now.
Okay, I'm back. The comments say you're so white, you are the star. But that's actually a good. Is it the monster? My chance to not like the monster. Where did you go?
I think. Where's bro? Where's bro not following me? Oh, there he is.
Oh, there.
Right. Let's see. So I might do. So I'll do part 5, and then.
Where are you?
All right. And then after I do part 5, and then I'll wait. Then I'll wait on April. October. No, I think it's like. What's today? July. August 14th. I'm excited for that. I'm so excited for that. It's. I want to see. I want to see it. Okay, I'm gonna make a video. It might be part 12 or 13 that I'm at. So it might be on 13 or 12, part 12, part 13 to on August 14th. Maybe it's part 11 or part 12. I don't know. All right. So let's go over here. Did he die? Bro just died. He bad, bro. He's bad. He's bad, kind of. All right. Don't worry. I won't say it. I won't say it to you guys. He just died. He bad at the game. Not gonna die. He's bad at the game, boy. Alright. Why is it not going? It's not clicking. Or maybe it's just no way, boy. No way.